in my mind, it's if you're trying to solve hallucinations, there's kind of two ways you can do it. One is you can do a very constrained approach where you know what the source is, and then you can say, well, here's a document, go do something with it. Is that response that you've done with it, is it congruent? Is it consistent with that document? Yes or no? That way you actually know what the truth is and you know what the true facts are in the world that the model is supposed to be using, and then you can validate against it. The other way to do it is try to have a model that knows everything about the world and can tell you if any fact is true or false. A lot of people claim you should be doing the latter, and I don't think that's a realistic task because you have to have a model that has to know everything, and then you've basically solved the problem. So really our approach is to look at document summarization. Here's a document, do something with it, summarize it. Did you change the data? Did you add data? It's okay if you omit data, but everything you put in a summary, it has to be consistent with the original source. And again, that is exactly when you're using Bing Chat or Bard or any of these search engine, that's what they're doing is they're providing a summary of the results. So if you have an LLM and it's providing hallucinations while summarizing documents, it's also providing hallucinations while doing search if used in a RAG system. So that's basically the core of our approach.